Welcome back to our Open Source Updates channel. On October 3rd, 2023, Elementary OS founder and CEO Daniel Fauré presented a new version of the operating system, 7.1. The blog post starts with the words, "Made with care, with you in mind," which indicates the introduction of new features related to more privacy, more inclusivity, new features, even more simple and user-friendly design, and greater integration with Flatpak packages. So, let's take a more detailed look. When the system is launched for the first time after installation, we see a new application slide in the onboarding with two buttons. The first one is the App Center, and the second button is a link to the most popular Flatpak-based application store, FlatHub. Also, the App Center no longer separates applications from FlatHub. Web, the default browser in Elementary OS, has been updated to version 44.6 and received a pop-up notification with the ability to save a password. You can now synchronize your passwords and bookmarks with your Firefox account. To make programs work more efficiently in the background or start independently after the system starts, the new version makes it possible to display all programs that have auto start permission, with email, calendar, and tasks already enabled by default. You can turn them off or remove these permissions for these apps. Also, you can add another program or custom command for auto start, which will be executed after login in system. Another permission that can now be controlled is location. Now, apps will have a pop-up window that asks for location permission. This permission can be changed in section Location Services in System Settings. You can see the required advanced access before installing the application. This information is displayed in the App Center. The same information is displayed when installing a Flatpak file downloaded from a website. Let's talk about the new color filter feature. This feature has been designed with the aim of enhancing accessibility for individuals with various visual impairments. Now, you can personalize the color palette of your screen to suit your preferences. This means that users with color blindness, color vision deficiency, or other visual impairments can adjust colors to make text and images clearer and easier to distinguish. It's a crucial step forward in ensuring inclusivity for all. Our next function is the grayscale filter. This new feature helps reduce your dependence on bright, colorful screen displays, which can be beneficial for preserving your vision and minimizing the negative effects on your sleep patterns. In the latest update, taken a significant step forward in enhancing the multi-touch gestures and navigation experience for users of Elementary OS. Introduced more options for switching workspaces. This feature allows you to quickly switch between different workspaces using hot corners, improving your overall productivity. Hotkeys have also been improved. Now can use the keyboard shortcut, Alt plus tilde, to switch between windows of the same application. To switch between different programs, need to use the shortcut keys, Alt plus tab. In this update, the Mail program also received some improvements. Added the ability to rename folders and increase the speed of switching between folders, as well as improved detected of spam and archive folders. Added multi-touch form to quickly archive or add to trash a letter. In the messages list, there's a new Move conversation menu that includes search, and you'll notice that archiving and moving messages can now be undone. And a handy info bar is shown when a message includes a calendar invite. When writing a letter, we can now add an image or attachment, as well as change the signature. We can create different signatures for different letters by simply writing and saving once. We can also assign some default signature. A settings menu has been added to the file manager. Now we can zoom in on folders and files, not only using hotkeys, but also using the menu buttons. There are also undo and redo actions, as well as settings for hidden files and thumbnails. Plus, we've added group renaming of files and folders. You can now quickly rename multiple files at once. This is especially useful if you work with a large collection of photos, spreadsheets, or other types of files that you want to rename by creation date or other sequence. A new Bluetooth transfer dialog is available. You can now share files by secondary clicking on a file or selection of files and selecting Send Files via Bluetooth. The developers worked on the display of notifications. Notifications in the indicator can be replaced with updated ones, or have buttons and app sections can be collapsed. A VPN switch was added to the network indicator. Now it will be a nice circle button, and you can turn on several VPNs at the same time. The same button displays airplane mode to quickly turn it on and off. The sound indicator also got such circle buttons for switching songs and pausing. Elementary OS 7.1 Horus build on Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS and has Linux 6.2 kernel. Elementary OS 7.1 is available as a pay-what-you-can-purchase on the website elementary.io. Localized direct downloads and a torrent magnet link are provided. Subscribe and like us to get the latest news from the world of open source software. Thank you for watching.